we have to, this is what we should learn from Ramayana. Our course is what we can learn from Ramayana. Sometimes, even though we are good, our behavior is good on account of association of bad people and their bad advice, which apparently appears to be very sweet and very comfortable and very good for us. We may get into we may get trapped and we lose ourselves and spoil ourselves. This is the lesson we have to learn from Kaikeyi episode. But one great secret, only once it occurs in Ramayana, in Chitrakuta, when Bharata comes, vehemently Ramachandra denies to return back. See, it is a worth scene. Chitrakuta Prakarana, Bharata's arrival to Bharata's departure, there are about a few sargas in between. They are all masterpieces of poetry, masterpieces of dharmic discussions, and masterpieces of arguments. Bharata is a great person. Sometimes I wonder whether Rama is great or Bharata is great. Equal to Rama is in all senses. And he employs so many arguments in 3 tiers. First tier, second tier, and third levels he argues. And at the end, he pleads one peculiar plea. That is, okay, you are not listening to none of my requests. You are elder, I cannot force you to listen to me. But one last request of me. Okay, the father has given me the kingdom. And I am giving now today I am the owner of the kingdom. I am giving this kingdom to you. You come and do the Rajya, and in your place, I will do Vanavasa. This is his last bargaining. Instead of you. Still Rama doesn't yield, even though he understands Bharata, appreciates Bharata, even though he sees great reason that he must concede the request of Bharata, he does not do it. For one simple reason, the very great secret reason that he reveals there in the Chitrakuta. Actually, Dasharatha was trying his best to, Dasharatha has been, now I will, interesting point, we should note it. He says, while going for alliance with Kaikeyi, as I told you yesterday, he didn't have progeny with the 2 wives, so he has taken 3rd wife. Of course, Kaikeyi is also very beautiful, very good-looking queen, we are told, and he wants alliance with Kaikeyi Raja. Then Kaikeyi Raja has asked one condition, that the kingdom should go to the son of Kaikeyi. Dasharatha accepted it. In the beginning, Virya Sulkam, it is Rajya Sulkam. What is the Dasharatha? As I told you in the beginning, that the Varapaksha, the bridegroom people should offer something to the bride's party. It's not today's prevalent custom is not our original custom. Actually, it has become ulta sida. Therefore, Rajya Sulkam Anuttamam. Then he reveals to Bharata why he doesn't want to return. By my coming back to Ayodhya, I will make my father lose his Satya Pratigna. Secret. Because Upapanna Midam Vakyam Yastvevam Yastvameva Mabhashatha. It is only Bharata who can speak like this, and whatever you told is perfectly in order. All your arguments are great, and I should oblige you. Why? Jataf Putro Dasharathat Kaikeyam Rajasatvam. Whose son you are? You are the son of Dasharatha in Mata Kaikeyi. Therefore, it is very much befitting for you to these arguments, to put forth these arguments. But Purabhrat of Pita Naha, the father of you and me, O my brother, Mataram te Samudvahan, when he was marrying Kaikeyi, Matamahe Samashroshit, to her father, Matamaha to you, and to her father, Kaikai Raja Ashwapati, I believe his name is Ashwapati, to him, Rajya Sulkam Anuttamam, kingdom will be given to the progeny. Usually, this is the Kshatriya families, it is the tradition that whenever any king goes for a second, the Kanya Data will ask for the kingdom should go to the son who is to be born to my daughter. This is, we have seen several examples are there. Therefore, there is a secret understanding which only Dasharatha knows, not even Kaikeyi knows. And then Rama himself says, Devasurecha Sangrame Jananyi Tava Parthiva Samprahusto Dadau Raja Varamara Adita. During Devasa Sangrama, our father has given 2 varas to Kaikeyi. Tatasa Sampratishravya Tava Mata Yasaswari Ayachata Narasreshtam Dvau Varau Varavarnini. She has asked for 2 varas on account of Devasura Sangrama episode only, which is known to Kaikeyi. The secret pact between Dasharatha and Kaikai Raja is not known to anybody except only those 2 Rajas. And in the second meeting, I presume Dasharatha has revealed it to Rama, or Rama has got some guess about that. Because he says that Bharata would not return, because in one sense, apart from Kaikeyi asking, now you analyze the whole, go back to yesterday's lecture of Dasharatha's episode, the entire perception gets changed. Now Dasharatha was about to commit an adharma. Leave alone Kaikeyi asking those 2 boons or not asking. Dasharatha is bound to make Bharata as king according to the word he has given to Kaikai Raja. But Dasharatha's love towards Rama has prevailed over his dharmic perception and made him mugdha. He lost his balance of mind with Kaikeyi. He lost his balance of mind with Rama too. On account of too much of love and too much of attachment to Rama, he was, because none knows about it, silently he wants to even forego his own word. Of course, in Ayodhya Kanda it is an elaborate, in the Sarga it is elaborate. Rama repeatedly tells Dasharatha, no, you be your Satyaprati, don't lose your word, because Ikshvaku Kula never went back on their promise. So don't commit that. I am going to forest, don't worry. In that way, Rama has corrected his own father from falling from dharma. Not only he performed dharma, but also he saw that Dasharatha has not committed any adharma. This is the secret, and until we come to Chitrakuta Prakarana, this sloka is not. Nowhere another reference is there. Only in once from Rama's mouth this is told.